Hello everybody, today I'm planning to show example how to create a clock. I created a Unity package, so you can download it from the link below this video. And yeah, and now we started. So after you downloaded the package, you just drop in a project. Yeah, as you see, it contains one clock material. It's a model. I created prefab for it. Also, I provided a script and shader. Also, there are a few simple textures. So import. Takes a few seconds to import it. Okay, good. Open folder animated clock. Under prefabs, we have clock material. So focus it. Yeah, okay, we can change rotation, maybe 180 according light. So right now we can just start check how it works. Okay, so in the scene we see it works. Current time 10:20 and it's like 10:20. Shader, if you see, we can change base color. It's like, yeah, so change a different color which we want. Also with this shader we can change this frame with different settings to create like completely like flat or create completely reflective. Also we have like in the center on face place we can change metallic and smoothness and create, for example, right now it's completely reflected, and with these settings as you can see it's not transparent, it's just reflected shader. So we can see this hour control, minute control and second control. So you just like this part is controlled by script. So now we can start to create this clock. So under models we have clock tutorial model, rotated 180. So actually it's just a simple mesh, two triangles, so nothing more. First of all, we need to create a shader and material. Okay, start to create material. Create material to be clock new. Applied. Under animated clock we create shaders. I will create shader with amplify shader. If you create with shader graph you can follow the same steps and it's pretty similar. I use surface shader mode and to rename it clock new shader, copy. So I drop it here, it will be easy to follow. So you need to rename that. Now save it. Now we need to change from standard to clock new shader we just created. Nothing, is just black, we cannot see anything. So we need to place some textures to start to create it. Okay, first of all we need to use clock tutorial base. This texture is nothing special. It contains like our some face, no face parts, is digits. Also it contains alpha channel. In alpha channel we can check how it works. For example, we add mode, and now we see it's alpha channel. So first of all, try to blend this texture with the base, with the frame color. So we need to create color node. Okay, let's start to create red, for example. Change from constant to property and name it color color base, for example. Now we connect two nodes with their function, and we definitely need to connect alpha to have this blend. So now we can easily connect to albedo channel and compile it. Now we cannot see anything because we didn't apply texture, and we apply it here. Now we see how we have frame and we have face part with some digits. So it's just simple, nothing special, but we want to animate with hands, second, small and big. So how we can do? First of all, try to place textures for big, for small. So small it's an hour, big is for seconds, for a minute, and seconds is for seconds. We can rotate any textures with rotator function, so we connect it. Also we need to texture coordinates. Right now you see it start animated, but is not expected as we need it. We need to change anchor. Anchor will change with position with vector 2. Just place in the middle, 0.5, 0.5. Now you see it's rotate, and we can change time, for example minus 0.1, because it's smallest, it's really slow, because it's hour. Duplicate it, so we duplicate it 2 times to connect with different for different textures. This will be for minutes, so out we set, and for time we change, for example, minus 0.5 to see how it works, and connect second hand and change time minus 2. So right now it's pretty quick, so we see how it works. So now we need to blend this part all together, and then blend with the main part, with base and face. So we need function add. Function add we can apply different, but right now we see we need black background and hands should be white. So we use function 1 minus to invert it, and the same we need to use for other hands. Yeah, now we see how it works. Almost magic. So that's it. It looks like it works. Now we need to connect base with face with hands. use as usual lerp function. Lerp function we connect right now, it's a B, and for alpha now we see it rotate. Well, okay, we don't have this texture, we need to apply. So apply second for this one, and small for this one, and big for this one. Yeah, as you see, it works. So need to update it to create some better visual. So what we can do, we can just use black color for input. Oh, sorry. Yeah, black color are pretty easy to get from any parts, like create color, yeah, black, connect to this part, save it. Now you see, so it works. Maybe you want to change color for second hand. So in this case, we need to -1. We need to multiply with color. It's supposed to be, for example, red. Yeah, and yeah, and we need to use function lerp to multiply this one. Actually, we just, yeah, so we can just, yeah, it will be maybe why not minus, yeah. Need to use color to this channel and apply alpha. So yeah. So and color in this way. Save it. Yeah. Now you see it works. So actually, this is just idea. You can reapply, use different function, and instead of red, you can use lerp to have different colors for each hands. So what's the next step? Next step, we need to connect time and change time to manipulate real time for each hands. So let's start it. So for time, we need to use float function. No, node, actually it's not, yeah. Instead, yeah. Okay, change for property, and it will be name it, for example, hour control. Okay, good. So it's control hour. We duplicate it and connect to minute control. Sorry. And duplicate it and change to second control. Yes. What's happened? I didn't create metallic base. So it I don't know, it's like accidentally changed for a material. Yeah, so use clock new shader, okay, great. Now if we start it, it's supposed to be, yeah, it works. Because I don't know why it works. Oh, yeah, because actually it's connected to a script. So we disable script, yeah, and start it, we see it doesn't work. Before it works, because when I add this control, this script contains control. So we can open this. Now it works, yeah. So let's check what the script. There is a second. Okay, yeah, also I'll open this shader, and with Visual Studio, and I will show, yeah, how it works. So when we use it amplify shader and when we open in text editor, we can see that we have hand second control tutorial. Yeah, it's some parts for textures, and also float I added at the end. It's hour control, minute control, and second control. For the script which I attached, we need to use serial field material to apply material which you use it with this stuff. And also it contains speed constant, which actually it's a formula from circle how many radians we have. Actually it's a double pi. In update function we use datetime to get current time. We use a local variable like hour, a minute, and second to get each function when update function updated. We had a current parts, current information about how many seconds, current and minute. So for the material, this material, we see you have this input, hour control, minute control, and second control. So to change this input, we need to apply it through the function setFloat. First, it's part from shader which I showed you, it's like second control, for example, and we apply constant, speed constant, multiply for amount of seconds which get from datetime, and divide by 60. So 60 is how many seconds per round. So 60 seconds we have per minute. We have 60 minutes in 1 hour, and in one round we have 12 hours. So pretty simple. Right now, yeah, we can change base color. Okay, and we use regional one script. So yeah, you can just, if you create your new one, you can just replace with this information, just it, Ctrl copy, Ctrl V, yeah, just save it. Okay, and we, for example, detach the script, remove component and scripts, clock new. Yeah, we need to apply material. We have this material and apply it and play it. So yeah, it works. It works fine. Right now it's time at 10:45. Yeah, it's like 10:45. Yeah, it looks like it changed a little bit different. Put hand big here. For hand big I use small. Sorry, for small yes. For hand big I need to use big one. Yeah, 10:45. Great. So according to this concept, also we can adjust some extra functions like metallic and smoothness. It's pretty easy. So we create float node. It should be property, yeah, and we name metallic body, and default 0.2, maximum 1, and counter duplicate, and we create metallic face. Yeah, and actually it's a little bit darker. So with LURP function we need to mix, blend them, and just use alpha channel. Yeah, see? So yeah, now we can connect metallic, and actually we can repeat connect to smoothness. So this will be smoothness body, and this will be smoothness face. Compile it, and now we can change metallic for it's metallic face, yeah, smoothness body, yeah, and we can create completely reflective like glossy metal. And for face, smoothness body. It's a body, face metallic, smoothness face. No, it doesn't connect. Okay. Oh yeah. Smoothness face, smoothness body. Oh yeah, it doesn't work because I forget to connect alpha channel to alpha. Yeah, right now it should works. Yeah. Face, yeah, face changing, smoothness body, change color. That's it. So right now it works. Start to play, and we can check how it works. Thank you for your attention. If you have any comments, please write it. If you like it, put like.